Allstate Ford, we're known for our trucks. Many built Ford tough right here in Kentucky, from the F-Series, including the top-selling F-150 to Ranger models. But that's not all. Check out our popular new SUVs such as the Explorer, Escape, and Expedition. If you're in the market for a certified pre-owned vehicle, we've got those too. Our award-winning sales team will help you find the perfect vehicle to fit your budget and lifestyle, whether it's for work or for your whole family to enjoy. We offer flexible financing options and terrific discounts. Allstate Ford's parts and service departments are top-notch. Our technicians are highly trained and certified to work on personal and commercial vehicles. From oil changes to big jobs like engine or transmission replacements, we're dedicated to exceptional service. We're a local, family-owned dealership serving the Greater Louisville Area since 1982. Whether you're ready to shop for your next vehicle or in need of some repairs, come on into Allstate Ford, located off Watterson Expressway between Poplar Level and Newburg Road on Gardiner Lane. Allstate Ford is where the pros go, so why wouldn't you?